Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make bath bombs that work just as well as the ones at Lush. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Remember, at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you a live demonstration of the bath bomb working its magic.
You're going to need 1 cup of baking soda, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 1/2 cup of Epsom salt, 1/2 cup of citric acid, essential oils, 1 tablespoon of water, and food coloring. Add all your dry ingredients into a bowl and mix thoroughly.
Add 3 tablespoons of essential oil and 1 tablespoon of water. If you're not using essential oil, you can add 2 tablespoons of water instead.
You want to mix this quickly so it doesn't activate.
You're now going to go in with your hands and make sure everything is mixed properly. Now you can add your food coloring until you get the desired color.
After I get my mixture the color that I wanted, I'm going to start mixing it up and making sure the color is properly distributed. It should feel like wet sand. I'm now putting my mixture in my silicone mold. I'm using a silicone mold so I can pop it out easily. If you don't have one, you can get creative and find something around the house that'll work just as well.
You're going to want to make sure you're packing it tightly in so in 5 hours when you take it out, it won't crumble.